Here is an install we did this week on an 86 irocz Z. He upgraded some lighting. We installed the United Pacific headlights. He did the upgraded LED bulbs on the low beams and the halogen on the high beams. He added the 𝐂𝐚𝐦𝐻 morimotofoglights and the LED switchback turn signals. These light up white when you're using your running lights, and they switch to amber when you're using your turn signal. Here's a view from inside the car. The headlights are much brighter. Here's the switchbacks. Let us know if you have any questions about any of these products or how they install or anything like that. And last, we installed an LED license plate bulb.